a very small video. The question is on which investment we get SI, simple interest, and on which get compound interest. So suppose you are lending money to someone or you are borrowing money from someone. Generally it is on some simple interest कि भैया मैं 5% लूंगा, 10% लूंगा, 15% लूंगा per annum. Copied? So if you are taking from the bank also, it is on say 8%, personal loan on 12%, home loan on 8%. This is simple interest. Copied? If you are depositing fixed deposits, so generally what happens for short tenure, say 6 months or 1 year, generally you get it on simple interest. But it is for say 5 years, 6 years, 10 years, 3 years, then you get compound interest on that. So fixed deposit में से आपने 1 लाख deposit करा है, तो say for 5 years, for at 5%, तो भैया 1,05,000 पे उसके नेक्स्ट ईयर आपको इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा, उसके नेक्स्ट ईयर आपको 1,11,000 पे इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा. सिमिलरली कॉपीड गाइस. Post office monthly income scheme, I guess you get simple interest. I have myself been a financial disaster as a mariner. To be very honest, my financial journey is just 6 months old. So whatever I say in this video, take it with a pinch of salt. The idea is to create that interest or fear so that you start learning. If you really are interested in learning as a seafarer, because nobody is there to guide us, join my WhatsApp channel. The link is in description box, where honest, trustworthy people hopefully will be guiding you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. So let's talk about stocks till then. So stocks के ऊपर again there is no interest that you get, but the investment that you make and then you can calculate कि how much growth I have made is it is compounded annually. So जैसे कहते हैं CAGR कि यार मैंने 10 साल पहले म्यूचुअल फंड्स में had put 1 lakh rupees, today it is 10 lakh rupees. So how much is it compounded annually? You are not meant to take out that money. You invest more and see rather than taking it out. गवर्नमेंट बॉन्ड्स के अंदर यू गेट बोथ सिंपल इंटरेस्ट एंड कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. कॉपीड? सो चूज वन. बैंक्स के अंदर इफ यू आर डिपॉजिटिंग मनी, फिक्स डिपॉजिट की बात करें तो भाई बोथ सिंपल कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. लोन यू गेट ऑन सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. म्यूचुअल फंड अगेन दिस इज इन्वेस्टमेंट, सो यू आर नॉट गेटिंग एनीथिंग, बट इन्वेस्टमेंट इज ऑलवेज कंपाउंडेड एनुअली. कि मैंने म्यूचुअल फंड से I had invested 10 lakh rupees and today they have become 20 lakh rupees in the span of 5 years. So मेरा एनुअल ग्रोथ कितना हुआ? 14% CAGR पे होगा. कैसे? 72 divided by 5 is 14% rate of interest. तो 14%. Copied guys? Annual growth. So this is something that you have to understand. और ये कैलकुलेशन ना दिमाग में बननी चाहिए. फर्स्ट थिंग इज कहीं पर भी यार इन्वेस्टिंग यार इस SI और CI. वेरी गुड. CI है हाउ मच इज द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट गेटिंग. अरे यार कंपाउंड एनुअली. ओके ये कह रहा है कि 1 लाख के दिहिल में के 10 lakhs कितने साल में? इतने साल में. CAGR कितना बैठ रहा है? इतना बैठ रहा है. These are the things that you have to understand, you have to calculate so that you get to know कि what is happening. ये नंबर कैलकुलेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट while you are investing. Copy it guys. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी.